नमस्कार। तो साथियों, हम बात कर रहे हैं 1924 की। 1924 की फिल्मों के बारे में बात की, कुछ डायरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात की। आज हम बात करते हैं उस दौर के कुछ कलाकारों के बारे में। तो उस दौर का सबसे उभरता सितारा था जुबेदा। जुबेदा starred in a string of silent films before Alamara. She was the heroine of Alamara, the first talkie picture. That was a turning point in her career, and it was her biggest hit. उनका और उस जमाने के एक्टर थे एक जय मर्चेंट। उनकी जोड़ी बहुत पॉपुलर थी और दोनों ने साथ में मिलकर कई पिक्चरें बनाई। She played characters like Subhadra, Uttara, Draupadi. She was also successful in portraying emotions with films such as Azramis, Jarina, and Shatir, which had her playing a vibrant, volatile circus girl whose kisses streamed up the screen. और इनको लेके सेंसर बोर्ड में भी काफ़ी डिस्कशन हुआ, पब्लिक में भी काफ़ी डिस्कशन हुआ, लेकिन द फिल्म्स वर ए सक्सेस। जुबेदा वाज वन ऑफ द स्टार्स जिन्होंने कि साइलेंट मूवी से साउंड फिल्मों में बड़ा इजी ट्रांजिशन किया। In the year 1934, she set up Mahalakshmi Movietone with Nanubhai Vakil and had box office bonanzas in Gule Sonobar and Rasike Lela. She continued to appear in one or two films a year till 1949 to 1943. 1953, निर्दोष अबला वाज हर लास्ट फिल्म। अब इसके बाद में बात करते हैं मास्टर विट्ठल की। Vittal started his film career in Marathi films in the year 1924, and he वो टेक्नीशियन और डांसर के हिसाब से काम किया। He was cast as the male lead in Ratan Manjari in 1926, और उसके बाद में उन्होंने बहुत सारी साइलेंट स्टंट फिल्मों में काम किया, and he became a very popular actor. He was the male lead of Alamara, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ हिज हिंदी उनके उनको बहुत कम डायलॉग्स दिए गए। he he worked in silent films and talkie films, mostly in Marathi। मराठी फिल्मों में उन्होंने 1932 से 1966 तक काम किया। he also directed two films and gave music score to one film। in all, he acted in about 90 films during his career of 42 years, from 1924 to 1966। So that way he had a very distinguished career। अब हम बात करेंगे नूर मोहम्मद चार्ली की। नूर मोहम्मद चार्ली was perhaps the first comedian of Indian cinema, and he worked with top heroines of that period। उनके नाम के साथ में जो चार्ली लगा हुआ है वो लगा हुआ है चार्ली चैपलिन से, because he was greatly influenced by Charlie Chaplin। He had a very successful career from 1925 to 1946, before partition। इसके बाद हम बात करते हैं दुर्गादास बनर्जी की। Banerjee started acting for Taj Mahal films, uh, doing small roles for Shishir Bhaduri. He did a small role in Andher Alo of Shishir Bhadri. Then his first leading role was in Manbhanjan in 1923. Banerjee appeared in over 19 silent movies as a lead actor. In 1931, Banerjee appeared in the first Bengali language sound film, Dena Pauna. That was in the year 1931, which was a major hit. Priya Vinodini was his last, Priya Vinodini of 1943 was his last film. अब हम बात करेंगे अहिंद्रा चौधरी की। अहिंद्रा चौधरी की फिल्मों में एंट्री शुरू हुई बायोस्कोप शो कंपनी से, जिसका नाम था फोटो प्ले सिंडिकेट, जो कि उन्होंने अपने मित्र प्रफुल्ल घोष के साथ में 1921 में शुरू की थी। 2 साल के बाद उन्होंने स्क्रीन प्ले लिखा एक मोशनलेस फीचर फिल्म का, नाम था साउल ऑफ ए स्लेव, which was directed by Hemchandra Mukherjee. He was the lead actor. His foray into the movie world was in 1931 with ऋषिर प्रेम, जिसको डायरेक्ट किया था ज्योतिष बनर्जी ने. He retired from acting with Shahjahan, a drama staged on 11 September 1957 at Minerva Theatre, Calcutta. VS उसके बहुत साल बाद he appeared in one more film, Shravan Sandhya, in 1974. He acted in total about 89 films. He wrote a screenplay for his maiden venture, Soul of a Slave, and directed 2 films. Chaudhary was recognized as a very educated and cultured person. He received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1958, and the Government of India honored him with Padma Shri in 1963. He was also a recipient of DLIT honorary degree from Rabindra Bharati University, and he was a guest lecturer at the University of Calcutta. So he was a very distinguished person. तो दोस्तों, बात हो गई फिल्मों की, निर्देशकों की, कलाकारों की. अब अगले वीडियो में हम शुरू करेंगे 1925 की बातें. तब तक के लिए अनुमति. नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.